This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Patricia Thompson. Beautiful spacious 5-bedroom home in meticulous condition. Open floor plan. 2 bedrooms share a Jack and Jill bathroom and could make a perfect suite with a sitting room or an office. Kitchen has granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, tumble stone backsplash, chef's prep island and cabinets galore. Slider in the great room lead to a covered patio overlooking the pond. Nicely landscaped. Lease includes yard maintenance, high-speed internet, cable TV and outside pest control. Walking distance to Publix, Dunkin Donuts and shops in Veranda Plaza. Conveniently located and close to the FL Turnpike and 95. Manned gatehouse and security patrolled. Tesoro has new ownership. A must-see. For more information, review the details below.